Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In today's video, we are going to see how to reduce the negativity of nakshatra known as Swati Nakshatra. Swati Nakshatra is a nakshatra of Rahu and it falls in the sign of Libra. So, when you are trying to see how Swati is getting expressed into somebody's horoscope, always notice where is Rahu placed and where is Venus placed. These two planets will definitely change the tendencies of Swati. However, if there is any malefic planet in Swati or there is any malefic influence on the planet that is in Swati, you will notice that negativity is getting expressed. And what are the signs of negativity of Swati? They are excessive commercialization. Everywhere the native sees money value, that's it. And for self gains, they will use all relationships, resources for their own gains. Another negative quality associated with Swati is laziness. Natives can go through phases of extreme commercial attitude and phases of not doing anything for a long time, to the extent that they wouldn't care about what is happening to their commercial ventures. Another negative attribute of Swati is excessive ego or completely indulgence. Another negative attribute of Swati is getting lost into commercial value, getting lost into business, or getting lost into material pursuits. Even though in modern times these qualities are taken as signs of success, Swati does come up with success with a lot of negativity, like feeling lonely, getting rejected, sometimes defamation, and obviously personal relationships getting hampered. So how we can reduce this negativity of Swati? Always remember, Sun is debilitated into the nakshatra of Swati. Why? Because Sun is planet of moksha. And when we use our physical body, our mind, our atma excessively on the materialistic track, we lose the focus of this birth. Always remember, Saturn is exalted in Swati. That means whatever we have has to be shared among everyone. Equal distribution of wealth. So you will notice when natives with dominant Swati achieve lot of success, after that, if they are not sharing their profits with others, if they are not spiritual in their pursuits, then the fame, the money and wealth starts decreasing. They will have issues with their personal relationships. Hence, tips to reduce negativity are: do not have ego, share your profits, don't go excessively on the materialistic side. Always remember to treat others with respect. And again, Swati is nakshatra of Rahu. So, whatever you have, the way you have achieved, try to be contented with it. Share it with someone who needs it more than you, and try to accept your relationships as they are. Trying to find more profit, trying to find better relationships, trying to find more success has a limit, and please acknowledge it so that the negativity induced by Swati will be reduced. Swati represents color black. So whenever you find that you are going excessively into the realm of materialism, try to slow down. Imagine it is like a darkness and you are not going to enter that dark tunnel. Try to stop, try to reduce your indulgence and acknowledge this black hole so that Swati takes you on its higher realm, that is spirituality. People with dominant Swati can also wear pearl. Pearl signifies lot of patience that goes behind creating anything. Lot of efforts, lot of hard work before making something commercial. So acknowledge these efforts, wear pearl to increase your patience and restlessness of mind. When we go excessively behind materialistic pursuits, our mind becomes restless. We lose peace of mind. And this is the negative effect that we are trying to combat. Try to calm your mind, do some meditation, try to do yogasana or any form of exercise that calms your mind down. Listen to soothing music. You can pursue some form of performing art or arts, and if you are already a professional in this field, try to slow down or try to use this art for your own peace of mind, not for the commercial way all the time. It's a good way to donate some of your profits to charity or any non-profit organization or to the organizations that are dedicated to helping the underprivileged people. Hope this helps you find solution to combat the negativity of Swati Nakshatra. If you want to know more about your horoscope or you want to know more about how planets are placed in your horoscope in Swati, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Shubham Bhavatu, Namaste, thank you.